Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Fellow Gambians, and most especially our Christian brothers and sisters, on behalf of the Alliance for Patriotic Reorientation and Construction, APRC, and indeed on behalf of our Supreme Party leader and former President of the Republic of the Gambia, His Excellency Sheikh Professor Alhaji Dr. Yahya AJJ Jammeh, I send greetings to all Christians and Gambians at large in observation of Easter. Easter is one of the most holy events of the Christian faith, when people around the world join together with family and friends to celebrate the death and resurrection of Jesus Christ. For Christians, the life and death of Jesus is the ultimate expression of love, care, and the supreme demonstration of God's mercy, faithfulness, and redemption. Since Christ's miraculous resurrection from death, Christians have expressed joy and gratitude for this wondrous sacrifice and for God's promise of freedom for the oppressed, healing for the broken-hearted, and salvation. Though this year's observation comes at a time when our world faces many challenges, especially the COVID-19 pandemic, but the message of Easter remains unchanged. This holiday comforts us as we remember that suffering will pass and goodness will prevail. My fellow Christians and Gambians at large, it is noteworthy to remind ourselves that since our forebears, Christians and Muslims have lived together in peace and harmony as God's creation. Let's continue to nurture this noble attribute of religious tolerance. In this Easter season, join me in praying for peace, wisdom, and resolve. During this holy time, may Christ's example of love and sacrifice compel us towards justice and compassion, and fulfill our hope of everlasting joy in peace, progress, and prosperity. Wish you all happy celebrations. May God bless you all. Thank you.